Project 1 Evo 5.
So you reckon we can get it done that time scale?
It's on the board.
6 to 8 weeks.
Mate, you got your work cut out.
Can we get it done? Done a few Subarus, but not like full strip down. So yeah, I mean this is quite involved as a repaint. I mean, like looking in here, it's all bare metaled in here, in the wheel arches. So it's all going to be painted in here, blacking up.
Yeah. Where's Rob at?
Been down in Southampton, slacking off because I'm stripping it apart.
So he said
hands dirty.
He said 6 to 8 weeks, and he's just buggered off after the first day.
He's gone, isn't he? So the guy that owns this is a guy called Richard Beale, and he owns a company called Appreciating Classics. So for some of you guys that are watching this would probably know of the company or him. Yeah, they buy and sell a lot of classic cars, but this one is Richard's own personal car. So it's first one he's had painted personally as well. So yeah, taking out a bit of a statement. Richard's had it all apart anyway, so makes my life easier. So I will strip this completely down, and then I try to use the cars as like a bit of a panel stand. So I'll do the quarter panels, the roof and the door shuts, the engine bay sills first, because then I can sit the car back here, and then anything else I do in and around it, I can put the panels back on, and then obviously not sitting around on stands, filling up the workshop, getting scratched, you know. So
Methodical.
yeah, it just makes my life easier. Yeah. I bet there's gonna be guys watching this like who do repaints thinking, oh, I wish I could take a car apart and have it bare metal when it's done. Where's my drill? Oh, I always do this.
We just had it. Didn't I put it down here?
Mate, I'm terrible for this.
Where's it gone?
So,
It's been a long day. It's
mate, that is me. I know. It's because I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, we're going to have some food in a minute.
I have got a fettle with the rear end because I need to get the tailgate to fit these light panels a little bit better. So I will put it back together, but I think if we just get it stripped out, I can see where we're at with it all.
Yeah.
And then just go back on it. I'll make sure everything's together properly then. Builds like this as well, you always find you going like behind other people a little bit, you know. Like the wiring in the doors, you know, you don't account for stuff like that, so you have to take the door cards off when you don't need to. Well, you shouldn't need to, but it's one of them things, isn't it? Yeah, it's going to get a coat of paint in here as well. But there's quite a bit of stripping out in here, you know, we've got all this wiring to like get rid of. So, you know, there's earth straps and that here and there. This is obviously going to have to all be moved out of the way. It's quite a bit of work just in here alone, just taking out the wiring so you don't, you know, cover it in overspray. Once you get the shell in paint, they come together quite quickly because panels are easy to do. The shell is like the biggest bit. You know, with the roof, the quarter panels, the door shuts, the engine bay.
Yeah, you sexy.
Wishing my little boy a happy birthday.
Oh, you're at work on your boy's birthday?
Yeah, I know. See, dedicated.
How old is he?
2. Yeah, 2 today. Bless him. Right. Anyway, come on. It's having a full underside restoration as well. So he's got like a ice blaster at his place. They do some really fancy underside restos. So he's gonna obviously have all this apart under here. This is all gonna get stripped and coated when he gets it back. So yeah, it's gonna be well, it is like a full restoration build, really. Now I find that weird, don't you?
What's that?
It only has add-on arches on the rear of the car. Doesn't have them on the front. Being rally cars, I suppose, if they crash them or whatever, bits like this are replaceable, aren't they?
Yeah, that's it.
It's really funny with Japanese stuff as well because they're like really superstitious. So you'll never find anything 13 on them. So which I found with my saw actually, which was quite amusing. They're all like 10 mils or 12. I'd say that was a pretty solid first day on the Evo. Really pleased with what I've got done today. I'd say about 6 hours solid I've been on this today, stripping it out, got all the panels off. Now about to get the roof line out, I'll make a start on getting it out. I'm not going to get this done today, but make a start on getting this out as Paul's booked in to come get the front and rear screen out, so it's going to make his life easier. But yeah, now super happy with how today's gone. Little bit of drama with getting the doors off. I think there's like an aftermarket alarm system put in this originally. Not really sure. As you can see, it's pretty much stripped out in here anyway, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was. So just had to cut some wires and play about with that. But no, initial first day, yeah, really pleased with how it's gone.
So mate, got to get this stuff back to Rich at Appreciating Classics. Some of this stuff he's going to get cleaned up.
Yeah, I mean, roof lining's minging, isn't it?
It is, yeah. So
yeah.
I'll make an inventory check on that, make sure we get back what's going out to him.
Well, I went over Monday to see him, and I
Yeah.
did sort of G him up about having some of this back. So yeah, like you say, we'll just make a list.
Get that done.
Yeah, get in contact with him, you can take that back.
And then we're on to the, what was it, boot? So you went to go see him and got the boot latch, wasn't it, you were missing?
Yeah, so just popped over to go get the boot latch because I got most of the car stripped out last week. That I now need the boot latch to make sure that the tailgate fits, because I spent Friday just sort of playing about with it. One of the things Richard said is that he just wanted the boot to fit these rear light panels nicely, which I do now, but I don't know that it's actually going to still be like that when the capture's on, so I'm just going to put that on, make sure it all fits nicely. Then we can take the tailgate off. Paul's coming in Thursday to come get the screens out, and then it's literally all prepped then, sort of with a shell. So.
And then after the boot, bonnet, pretty cool, which when they took the engine out, they did quite a bit of prep work for you anyway.
Yeah, I mean, well, it's not very far off done, is it?
No.
Thanks, Rich.
2K on there.
Yeah, yeah. Just going to prime that. So that's nice. That's good.
I'll tell you what, now it's sorted, mate. Do you want to just move out of the way? I'll film this bit.
That's nice.
This is what I've done. Right, Connor. So I've sorted it up. He fucked it up.
Just that gap's a little bit smaller than that gap.
Let's have a look.
It's nice. Go Gordon Ramsay. Look.
Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay.
It's all shit. Get it off. Right, I'm going in.
Darren, you alright?
I am coming to you. I'm just finishing off one in Norwich and I'm heading to you, mate.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna be a good sort of 45
Probably
minutes.
About an hour, I would have thought.
About an hour, yeah.
Hi, mate.
Yeah, I'm mate. See you in a bit.
Cheers, mate.
All right, love you, bye. So as Paul's going to be another hour, I'm going to finish off prepping up this quarter panel. I've already made a start and I've already unearthed some filler as well. There's quite a bit of micro blistering around here. And I think this side's had a quarter panel on it. So we're going to wrap up episode 1 here. Join us for episode 2, where we're going to be delving more heavily into the prep work on this. So if you've liked this video, guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next one.